Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you a very easy way of how you can make a PDF file. So first of all we'll go to gallery and go to photos. Now you can see I have 3 photos, so I'll select them all 1, 2, 3 and I will go to the more option. As you can see there are 3 options given, so I will select the center one, print or export to PDF. So now you can see it's getting ready, maybe 5 seconds, so we have to wait. Now you can see I will select the save button. Now I will give it a name, you can say AZ. So I will save. Now what we'll do, we will go back, go to files and go to documents. Now you can see there it is on the bottom, AZ will select. Now you can see there it is. Now you can read it anytime you want. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you very much.